As a video creator, I'm constantly on the hunt for B-rolls, background music, and sound effects, but juggling multiple subscriptions or switching between platforms slows down my workflow. So here's how to add stock videos, sound effects, and royalty-free music to your content fast using VEED, and yep, some of it totally free. I'm gonna pop a link for this down in the description and we can get started. Let's head over to VEED. So I've uploaded my video to the editor. Now it's a talking head video, but staring at the same frame for 2 minutes, it's just boring. I wanna keep my audience engaged. So I'm gonna do that by adding some visual context and using stock footage. I'm gonna head over to the toolbar and select video. And then next to stock videos, click view all. I can type in what I'm looking for and I've got a variety of options to choose from. So I'll choose my favorite and then I can drag and drop it to where I want it to start playing on the timeline. I can trim the footage by pushing it over to the left, and I can repeat this as many times as I want. Now, to make this clip feel more immersive, I want to add a sound effect that matches the action in my stock footage. So I'm going to put my playhead to where my stock video begins on the timeline, and then in the toolbar, click audio. I'm going to scroll down to sound effects and click view all. Now from here, I can search for something specific like a subtle whoosh or maybe footsteps. It's going to depend on the scene. And then I can hit play to hear a preview until I find the one that fits the vibe. And then when I found that one that fits, I can hit the plus sign to add it. And don't forget to trim it to fit your video. I can adjust the volume here so you can still hear my talking head video. Now, let's give the whole video some ambiance here with some background music. So we're going to put our playhead to the very start of the timeline, head back into audio and click view all next to stock music. Search, preview, hit the plus sign and drag it in. Trim and adjust the volume, and don't forget to fade it in and fade it out just to make sure it's all smooth. Now earlier I did mention that you can actually create your own B-roll using AI with VEED's AI Playground. You can type in a prompt to turn your prompt into a realistic piece of footage. Now if you do want to learn more about that, you can click on the top right corner of the screen now. I'm going to pop a link for this down in the description also. And that's it. So when you're happy, click done in the top right hand of your video, choose your export settings and click export video. So now I've turned my boring talking head from this into a way more engaging piece of content that actually holds attention. Want to boost your reach even more? Click right here to learn how to add subtitles in VEED and make your videos even more accessible.